Alright, what's going on YouTube? Okay, so I actually already made this video, but I wanted to update it and make it a little bit quicker and a little bit more precise on basically the topic of which this is how much it costs to build a Tom DeLonge Stratocaster. So basically when I made that video, I just kind of threw everything together. This came out outstanding. There's a little bit of imperfections with the paint, but let me go ahead and dive into the price. Alright, so I'm going to try to make this a lot more precise. So starting off with the price for the body, so I went with a solid alder body, right-handed top route control cavity, hardtail bridge, and no paint. So the body itself was $190, and then with shipping and handling, which was $23.90, and tax, which was $13.90, it equaled $227.80, and that was the body by itself. Now, if you want a paint-ready body, it's $320, and basically Warmoth does all the work for you. All you have to do is just pick out your paint and then paint it yourself. If you want a painted body, so basically if you want Warmoth to do all of the work for you, it's $424 painted. That doesn't include shipping, handling, or tax. Now, take this with a grain of salt. When I painted the body, I used 3 cans of sealer, 3 cans of clear coat, 1 can of Olympic white as a base, and then 1 can of surf green as the top coat, and then obviously the clear coats. That was $184, and then with shipping and handling plus tax, I want to say it was around $200 for me to paint the body myself, and that was because when I ordered everything, I ordered the sealer, the surf green, and then the clear coat by itself. I ordered the Olympic white by itself on a separate order because when I did the sealer, I wanted to have a little bit of extra protection underneath the surf green. And like I said, that was probably around $200 after everything with shipping, tax, and handling. And then, of course, you have to wait for the shipping times and all that stuff. It has to go UPS ground because it's considered a hazardous material. Now, as far as the neck goes, I went with the CBS style Strat neck, which was $349. And basically what that was a vintage, modern, maple on maple, 21 fret with black inlays, black side dots, a Graph Tech black Tusk XL nut, and a clear satin nitro cellulose finish. It was a 9.5 straight radius. Altogether was $454.96. That included $22.67 for shipping and handling and $27.77 for tax. Now, as far as all the hardware goes, I did a flat top all black knob. So the flat top black knob was $450. The wiring kit was $595. An all black neck plate was $675. A black Strat top jack plate was $750. A 1/4 inch mono jack was $3. Black neck screws were $450. A black T-style string retainer was $225. And then the 6 black string ferrules, which were 92 cents a piece, equaled $5.52. And with shipping, tax, and everything came out to $52.82. And then I had to buy the white Invader, so basically the white Seymour Duncan, to be like more like in line with what the original Tom DeLonge shot would have been. So the white Invader plus the Tom DeLonge pickguard I got from Sweetwater with tax, shipping, and all that was $148.03. I then ordered the Spurzal locking tuners, and I think I mentioned it in the first video, but if you didn't watch that, I'll go ahead and link it up here. Anyways, the Spurzal locking tuners were $119.52. I purchased those off of Amazon. Long story short is I contacted Spurzal. I was going to place a custom order with them. That took them forever, so I canceled it, and then I got them from Amazon. And then I also purchased some Dunlop strap locks, which were $25.15 with shipping and all that stuff. So equivalently, at the end of everything, it cost me somewhere around almost $1,300. I went through all of the old receipts and everything that I purchased, and I went through and I tried to make this more accurate with what the price was. Now, I know that the new Tom DeLonge Strat, which they just re-released because Tom is officially back in Blink, so that one's, I think, $1,300. So essentially you would probably pay around the same. You can cut costs. So if you wanted to build a Tom DeLonge Strat on a budget, I was on Musician's Friend earlier, and I was looking at some of the stuff. So basically anything that had like a string through body that was hardtail. There was one that had a tremolo system, but there was the Squier Sonic Strat, which was basically a fat Strat. It was $199.99. That one came in black. There was the Squier Affinity Series double fat Strat in Olympic white, which was $250. And then there was another like Squier Bullet Strat, which was a hardtail. It was a limited edition electronic guitar, which was red. It was on sale for $179, but originally the price is $219.99. If you want to build a Tom DeLonge Strat and you don't want to have to purchase a more expensive neck and everything through Warmoth, here are my thoughts. What I personally would do is I would buy the body by itself. I would have Warmoth paint it, because at the end of the day, when you really think about it, when you go to paint this, you're factoring in cost. So let's just say you got let's just say you got this DIY paint ready. So even at that, it's $300 and basically $30 plus you're looking at shipping and handling. If you purchased the body by itself, had Warmoth paint it, you're looking at probably around $450, and then you could essentially buy a cheap Squier off of like Facebook Marketplace or something, take the neck from it, ditch the old body, or build another like replica Strat or something. You can also find used necks on eBay and stuff. I personally would probably even just buy a new Squier for cheap, rip the neck out of it, because it's going to be cheaper than purchasing a hand-built neck from Warmoth. There are a lot of options and avenues, but I honestly, and this is just my own personal opinion, I think that Warmoth probably has the best, like most accurate to date bodies. So I think this body came in at around like 4.5 or 5 pounds. At the end of the day, if you're looking to build a Tom DeLonge Strat, you're looking at probably somewhere close to $1,300. If you buy everything from Warmoth and you basically just go through them, you're probably looking at around the same price as you would to just buy off the shelf one of the Tom DeLonge Strats that just was reissued. But if you want to get something a little bit cheaper, you could either go with a Squier, repaint it yourself, or you could order the body and then just find a neck. I think ordering the body from Warmoth, and this is my own personal opinion, because then you'll get the string through hardtail bridge and not just like the bullet style, which goes through the bridge, like through the string and then up here. So that is my opinion. Hopefully this helps you guys. I know that the other video is like 20 something minutes long, so I was trying to make this one a little bit shorter. Also, somebody else commented on one of those videos, basically the 3-part series of me building the guitar took forever. So if you're interested and you want to see a build video that is potentially shorter, I still have all the videos and stuff. I could try to make a shorter video for that. Somebody was also upset that I didn't play this guitar. Number one is I don't really have a very good audio setup for capturing guitars, so there's that. I can throw this microphone in front of my amp, but I honestly don't feel that you're gonna get the real like sound out of it. I could be wrong, but I don't really necessarily have a very good setup for recording audio. Anyways, I will play something on this, and I'll put it at the end of this video. So hopefully you guys like this. Try to make shorter, like I said. Thank you guys for stopping by. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the Tom DeLonge Strat build videos, or if you want me to redo all those videos and make them shorter and into one more compressed video, just let me know in the comments. But yeah, that's it. This is the Tom DeLonge Strat from Warmoth. This is what I built, and 90% of it came from Warmoth, besides the humbucker, the tuners, the strap lock, the strap. Other than that, oh, and the pick guard. And that was pretty much it. I know you guys can't really see it, but up here on the back I got like some fish eyes and stuff, but I was able to sand the majority of them out, so I'm not really too necessarily worried about it. There's a little, like in the back here, it's kind of messed up. Other than that, it looks pretty dang delicious. So yeah.